Hi, the question says complete the following table. Now this table has atomic mass, mass number, number of neutrons, number of protons, number of electrons, and name of the atomic species. Now in the first case, the atomic number is given to be 9 and the number of neutrons is given to be 10. So your mass number will be addition of number of neutrons plus number of protons, so that would be 19. Similarly, the number of neutrons will be equal to the atomic number, therefore it will be 9. And since the atom is electrically neutral, your number of electrons will also be equal to 9. And you know the atomic number 9 is given to fluorine. The next is the atomic number is going to be 16 and your mass number is 32. That means the number of neutrons will be 32 minus 16, that will be equals to 16, and therefore the number of protons, which will be equal to the atomic number, will also be 16, and your number of electrons in this case will also be 16 for sulfur. In the next part, the mass number is being given to be 24. Now since the number of protons has been given to be 12, therefore your number of neutrons will also be 12, and since the number of protons are 12, your atomic number will also be written as 12. So we can say that atomic number is 12, the number of neutrons are 12, and since your atom is electrically neutral, your number of protons will also be equal to the number of electrons, so the number of electrons will be also be equal to 12. So this element would be magnesium. Similarly, in the next part, we have been given the mass number to be equals to 2 and the number of protons to be equals to 1. So there will be one neutron, that is 2 minus 1, and since the number of proton is 1, your atomic number will also be equal to 1, and the number of electrons will be equal to the number of protons, so they will also be equal to 1. So we can say that your atomic number in this case would be 1, the number of neutrons would be 1, and number of electrons also be equal to 1. So since your atomic number is 1, so it might be a hydrogen, but since there is one neutron present in it, so it is an isotope of hydrogen, which is deuterium. So the atomic species will be deuterium. The next one, we are having mass number to be equal to 1, number of neutrons are 0, number of protons are 1, but you have to see over here that number of electrons are 0. That means in case of since the atomic number is 1, the element is having hydrogen, so hydrogen is having one electron in its outermost shell, but since the number of electrons are mentioned to be 0 from the given data, we can say that electron has been removed from the hydrogen atom, so this would be hydrogen ion. Thank you.